In this tutorial, you will learn how to integrate SAP Business One with Zoho CRM using Zapier. This integration allows for seamless data transfer between the two platforms, enhancing your business operations and efficiency. Begin by navigating to the Zapier website, open your preferred web browser and enter the URL for Zapier. Once the page loads, you will be presented with the Zapier home screen, which features various options for creating and managing your integrations. Next, locate the Zaps option on the left sidebar of the screen. Click on Zaps to view any existing integrations you may have set up. If this is your first time, this section may be empty, which is perfectly fine. After that, in the search bar at the top of the Zaps page, type in SAP Business One to Zoho CRM. Once you type this phrase, press the Enter key. This action will display the integration options related to your search. Now click on the integration that shows Webhooks by Zapier. This will take you to a new page where you can configure the webhook settings. You will see a prompt indicating that you need to set up your webhook configuration. Once you're on the web configuration page, look for the option to select Zoho CRM. Click on this option to proceed to the next step in the integration process. This will open up the Zoho CRM setup screen. Then return to the previous screen and click again on Webhooks by Zapier. This will allow you to access further webhook settings necessary for the integration. Make sure to follow the prompts carefully during this step. Now find and click on your webhook URL. This URL is crucial as it allows communication between SAP Business One and Zoho CRM. A new screen will display your unique webhook URL. Next, you will see a message stating you'll need to configure your application with this SAP's webhook URL. This indicates that you must enter this URL into your SAP Business One application to complete the integration. Proceed to select Zoho CRM once more. This will redirect you back to the Zoho CRM settings. Ensure you're on the correct screen before continuing. Now click on Action Event. This option will allow you to define what action should occur in Zoho CRM when data is received from SAP Business One. A drop-down menu will appear with various action options. After that, choose Create Update Module Entry from the action options. This selection ensures that the data from SAP Business One will either create a new entry or update an existing one in Zoho CRM. Then click on Create Update Module Entry again to finalize your action selection. This step confirms your choice and takes you to the next configuration screen. Next, you will need to click on Account. This will open a section where you can manage your Zoho CRM account settings. Make sure you have your Zoho credentials ready for this step. Finally, click on Connect Zoho CRM. This action will prompt you to log into your Zoho account if you are not already signed in. Enter your credentials and authorize the integration to complete the setup process. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.